All right, tell us what just happened, man. Tell us.
Okay, so on the second time I was fishing, I threw it in, and little did I know, I caught something, and I caught a fish.
Your first fish ever?
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
It feels good. I'm gonna see if I can catch another one.
Catch another one.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Arturo Miramontes.
That's right, Arturo. Woo!
Yeah.
Pedro and his first fish.
Finally, after a year.
That's the biggest one so far.
Biggest one so far?
Here, hold that right there. We're filming it. You ready? Let's measure it up.
You guys see this?
Let's see what we got here. Oh, you bit me. Ah, you got me.
Ah. Oh.
Hold on. I'll take it. Here, you hold that. I'll hold the fish. Go ahead.
Stop struggling.
There's teeth.
Yeah, I got teeth.
Oh,
yeah, there's teeth in it.
Right. How long is that joker?
10 feet. That's
Inches?
10 inches.
Attaboy, Pedro. That's the biggest one.
Let's go.
Want to release it here? Whoa, what's your hook?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that right there. You got the video?
Yeah, I got it.
There you go, Pedro. You just put that big old piece of bait on there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to release it.
It's really good.
I'm going to let it go, okay, Pedro?
Yep.
Let's see, there it goes. Look. Out of here. Good job, Pedro.
Finally, after a year. Finally.
Back-to-back hookups. Now Bob's on. I told you you're going to get one on that. Attaboy, oh, look at that. On the bait, on the plastic. Back-to-back. 95, man. I knew you were going to get one. I told you I. Change the hook size. We got another one. Bring it down here. Wow, look at the size of them today. They're fighting like crazy. Yeah, another fish. We'll get you set up too. Let's go. Wow, look at the size of that one. Hold it up. Where's that? No, hold it here by the line. Hold the line. There we go. There's another one.
Heck yeah.
Hold on. You got second one, back-to-back cast?
Yeah.
Look at the size. That one's like 3 times as big. On the gold.
Yeah.
Got your own baits? Any tips for the people at home?
Use red numbers.
Alright, let's release that one. Back it up. Here, I'll help you out.
Adrian!
Let's get a picture of you too. Hold on. Got another one. This one's on the sand crab.
Yeah, look.
Look at it. The sand crab's in his mouth
Got
still.
the same crab is in his
The
mouth.
fellas got it out of got the sand crab over there. They're digging up bait.
Yeah.
We put it on this pole. He just casted it out. How was that? How's that feel? Is that your first fish? Whoa, whoa, watch out. It got spines. Look at that one. Monster. All right, hold on. Let me get it. Angel, you caught another one? Turn the handle a few more times. Turn the handle. You gonna hold the line, Angel? Is that your fish?
Come here.
I told you the jig would work.
Come here. Come here. You're okay. Come here. It's not gonna eat you. I promise. You're safe.